On today's first look, we have April Rose in the studio helping us with this 1962 Lincoln Continental custom convertible. Now this first appeared as an entrant in our Barrett-Jackson Cup in March of 2021, and I was taken back when I looked at this. One of our longtime consigners brought this, and I told him, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen resto-modded. The amount of attention to detail at the quality that they did it like a Lincoln deserves. Right. I don't know if you've looked around at April, but everywhere it has been massaged. It comes with a third generation Coyote powering it. We'll look under the hood here in a minute. It's fantastic with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It has air ride on it. You can see it slammed down now. Custom 20-inch wheels on it. But it also has a lot of other improvement. It has Wellwood brakes front and rear on it, as well as it has some updates. It has Dakota Digital dash inside of it here, but it looks very stock. They did such a clean job on this. Has the tilt column, has vintage air. It really has had a lot done to it. The custom steering wheel on it. The list goes on and on.
There's something about that 4th generation Lincoln that always draws me in. It's simpler, these long, just streaming lines. It catches your eye. And this is perfect because it's been resto-modded. So it's something that you feel comfortable driving every day.
Everything on these, so those that don't know, is electric. The way that the top comes up, the top boot flips back down, a lot of micro switches. So this is a combination, it is what resto-mod is, restored but modified. They kept all that original technology and added a lot more newer technology, but I think it just came out as a piece of art.
With resto mods that have this more neutral kind of palette and it's not overdone, it's not flashy, do you feel like that really helps with the value of the car? Sometimes you have it overly modified where it's such a personal touch. This one's more neutral.
It is very neutral in the colors. When I first walked up on it, I was like, what is this doing in the Cup? And I looked around it and I looked around it and just all the leather work, the attention to detail. We'll go ahead and pop the hood on this because they did a nice job under the hood here.
You can eat off this one.
The two-toning in the engine, they kept that theme through with this 3rd generation Coyote motor in it with the 4-speed automatic transmission. The list goes on this car. The door gaps, how straight it is. Somebody spent a lot of hours putting this car together.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody's ever done one that I've seen to this level, taking it down, sits on a full custom frame. So they have literally taken this body off and have built everything from scratch all the way up. And the best thing, April, it's coming to our Scottsdale auction this January.
Oh, that's right. The 22nd through the 30th, selling at no reserve. It's the world's greatest collector car auctions. 50th anniversary, the Barrett-Jackson Collector Car Auction.